In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show Navigator in MetaTrader5. If you've just installed MetaTrader5 or you accidentally closed one of the panels, it can be confusing to find where everything went. The Navigator is especially important because it's where you access your accounts, indicators, expert advisors, and scripts. So in this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to bring the Navigator window back into view in a clear and simple way. First, make sure MetaTrader5 is open and you're on the main trading screen. At the very top of the platform, you'll see the main menu bar. This is the row that includes options like File, View, Insert, and so on. We're going to focus on that menu bar. Move your mouse to the top of the window and click on the View menu. This menu controls most of the panels and toolbars that appear inside MetaTrader5. If something is missing from your layout, the View menu is usually the first place to check. Once the View menu opens, you'll see a list of options. Look through that list and find the one labeled Navigator. It's usually near the top portion of the menu. Go ahead and click on Navigator. As soon as you click it, the Navigator panel should appear on the left side of your MetaTrader5 window. If it was already open, clicking Navigator in the menu may hide it instead. In that case, just click it again to show it. Think of this option as a simple on and off switch for the Navigator panel. After the Navigator is visible, you can resize it by hovering your mouse over the edge of the panel until you see a double-sided arrow, then clicking and dragging to adjust its width. You can also dock or undock it depending on how you like your workspace organized, but the main goal here is just to make sure the panel is visible and accessible. From now on, whenever you lose the Navigator or close it by mistake, just remember, go to the top menu, click View, then click Navigator. That's all you need to quickly bring it back. Thanks for watching this walkthrough on how to show the Navigator in MetaTrader5. If you found this helpful, keep exploring the platform and getting comfortable with these basic layout controls, because they make trading and analysis